Here's your weather video for this Sunday, April the 23rd. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. Lots of fans in the state for the big race today at Talladega. Going to be beautiful weather for you out there today. Lots of sunshine, cool temperatures. Here's the upper pattern across North America early on this Sunday morning, showing a big upper level low there, covering much of the Midwest, the Great Lakes states, and that is keeping us cool and dry here in Alabama, responsible for a secondary front that moved into the state overnight. That front lying across central Alabama this morning. It will become a focus for potential showers later today and tonight as we go through time. I'll move the upper pattern on through the week here, and you see low pressure continues to be in control of the weather over the eastern half of the United States. Big system moves our way by Thursday and Friday. We'll deal with at least 2 or 3 rounds of showers and thunderstorms, including a round that will come through on Saturday, but it'll be that following week, the first week of May, before we see some relief in the form of a ridge of high pressure that will take us out of this cooler and damp period, unsettled period that we're going to be in, and move us toward a warm, dry spring pattern again by the middle of the second week. We'll be ready for that. Here's the surface pattern across the United States on this early Sunday morning, showing basically some showers and thunderstorms all over the state of Texas into Arkansas. Some of those trying to work their way here over our area as that upper disturbance slides our way. It's going to push that frontal system back to the north as a little bit of a warm front and energize it as we go through time. But most of your Sunday is going to be dry. Few showers showing up late this afternoon. Some of those will certainly continue into the overnight hours tonight, and we'll have a little bit cooler conditions today, thanks to those reinforcing shots of cooler and dry air that are over the state early on this morning. We'll see high temperatures in the lower middle 60s there over the Tennessee Valley, upper 60s to lower 70s across the central part of the state. And it will be in the 40s area wide tonight, except I think we'll deal actually with a couple of 30s in some of the normally colder locations in North Alabama. But as we move on into Monday will be a dry day. Temperatures are going to be mostly in the 60s area wide. A few folks may be lucky enough over south central Alabama to get into the 70-degree range, but for most folks it'll be below 60 again tomorrow. But as we go through time, we see the GFS shows us being mostly dry on Monday, and we move into Tuesday. We're starting off in the 40s again, going through the day mostly dry. A few showers moving into Tennessee Valley. They're late in the day. This is midnight Tuesday night going into Wednesday morning, and you can see the showers and thunderstorms are really on the increase, and they by Wednesday morning will be widespread across northern and central Alabama, pushing on a little bit more to the east as we go through time, but it'll be Wednesday night before those showers are mostly out of here. Now, I think there's some small chance of strong to severe thunderstorms. The best chance will be over the southern half of Alabama on Wednesday, so we'll keep a real close eye on that. High temperatures on Wednesday are going to be in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Now, we won't get much of a break, and that break's going to come during the early morning hours, really pre-dawn, because showers and thunderstorms are back on top of us with a slightly stronger system here by Thursday. This is 10 a.m. Thursday morning showing widespread showers and storms across Alabama. High temperatures are going to be in the 70s area wide. I think a little more instability involved with this system, and that, of course, if it is the case, means that we could deal with more strong to severe thunderstorms on Thursday. I'm thinking probably a marginal risk, mainly for the southern half of the area on Wednesday, maybe a slight risk for Thursday. Of course, we're second-guessing the SPC. It's a little bit too early to be doing that, but it is something that you'll want to watch as we go through time. So Thursday, that surface low slowly moves off to the east. We don't begin to clear, though, till Friday. Those rain and storms moving out early on Friday. Will be clearing and not cooler. That's usually the word that follows when we say clearing and cooler. Well, really not much of a regime change in the air mass across Alabama on Friday, and we'll be back in the middle 70s. So a really nice day Saturday. Now, you remember that upper disturbance swinging through again by late in the week, and it's going to push another front our way. But this system will be fairly bereft of moisture, and you can see just scattered showers and storms developing on Saturday, pushing onto the southeast slowly. And probably becoming stronger with time. So I think we'll deal with strong storms over southeast Alabama on Saturday afternoon. Most of us probably will escape that, though, over the northern half of the state. And then as we get into Sunday, clearing trends. And those clearing trends stay with us as we go into the voodoo period. Week 2, no rain through Tuesday. Wednesday, strong subtropical ridge holding over our area. Some showers return by Thursday the 4th. And looks like they're out of here by Friday. But another system as we go back into an unsettled pattern across Alabama. And that's what we will expect. Well, Weather Brains is the weekly netcast that's all about weather. We'll do it again Monday night. We've done 900 of them. Why stop now? Dr. Diana Francis, an expert on dust storms, will join us from Abu Dhabi, of all places. She'll be up late in the middle of the night to talk to us on Weather Brains. Weather Brains, the weekly netcast that's all about weather. Well, that's your video for this Sunday, the 23rd. I'll have notes on the blog, a forecast update coming for you at noon. James will be back with two-a-days tomorrow. Scott will be here next Saturday. Thanks to him for his work on Saturdays. And I will see you Sunday. And as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.